Hello, welcome to MBA 620, Measuring Success in Organizations. I'm Dr. Anton Gates, and I'm extremely happy to be your instructor for this term. This course is going to be about learning how organizations evaluate their performance and how you, as the leader, can make data informed decisions. You'll step into the role of a controller at TransGlobal Airlines and work through real world scenarios, including evaluating potential acquisitions and using tools like balanced scorecards and KPIs. You're also going to earn certifications in tools like Power BI and data analytics, great additions to your resume and your LinkedIn profiles. Each week, you'll dive into a mix of readings, discussions, video check ins, and milestone assignments that all build up to your final project. I encourage you to reach out often, participate fully, and to use the feedback you get to grow your skills. In week one, make sure to review the syllabus, complete your Module 1 video check in, and join the discussion with your class peers about what makes a successful organization. It's a great way to start the term and to get to know your classmates. Thanks for being here, and I look forward to a great term.